Hi guys, welcome to a new video for my channel, and today we're going to talk about Mexican Conchas, this beautiful pieces of bread that we have here. These ones are from Cramia. This one, the one I show you guys, is a vanilla one, and we have here the chocolate ones. So let's begin with this. So let's start with a simple question. Have you ever wondered why Mexican Conchas are so soft, fluffy, and beautifully cracked on the top? Today, we're going to talk about the science of baking to understand exactly how this iconic sweet bread works. So, a concha is a traditional Mexican sweet bread known for its soft interior and crunchy pattern topping. But beyond its appearance, it's actually a perfect example of how chemistry and biology come together in baking. When making conchas, one of the key ingredients is yeast. As I said in the last video, guys, I mentioned yeast a lot because yeast is an important part in the process of making bread. Yeast is a living microorganism, specifically a fungus, as I mentioned in the other video. So, getting more into the fungus that is yeast, when you mix yeast with warm milk and sugar, it begins a process called fermentation. Fermentation is an important process also in the process of making bread, because during fermentation yeast consumes sugar and produces carbon dioxide gas and alcohol. That carbon dioxide gets trapped inside the dough, forming tiny air pockets. This is what makes conchas rise and gives them their soft airy texture, the one that we can see here. Temperature is crucial here. If it's too cold, yeast could slow down, and if it's too hot, then it dies. So we have to be really careful with the temperature when making bread, because it depends a lot on the yeast if the bread comes out to be good or comes out to not be that good. So the ideal range is around 95 to 110 Fahrenheit. That's where the yeast could get most active. So next we have the flour, which contains proteins called glutenin and gliadin, the ones I mentioned in the other video. When you mix and knead the dough, these proteins combine to form gluten. Gluten acts like a stretchy network that traps the gas produced by yeast. The more you knead, the stronger this network becomes. So that's why concha dough is soft but structured. It holds air without collapsing. If you don't need enough, the bread turns dense too much and it can become tough. So now we're going to talk about the sweet topping, the special part that we all see in concha. So this whole layer is made from sugar, fat, and flour. Unlike the dough, it has no yeast, so it doesn't rise. So that's why it's just like a flat surface around the concha. So as the concha bakes, something interesting happens. The dough expands from heat and gas. So also the sugar caramelizes slightly, giving the top sweet, slightly crisp texture and like a golden view for us. So now that we mentioned all of these reactions and all of these characteristics, we're going to talk about the oven. What happens in the oven when we put the concha in there? So the first thing that happens in the oven is that heat causes the gases to expand, so they rise a lot more. This activity stops at high temperatures, and protein set and the structure forms. Sugars caramelize and give flavor and develop a color. This is what transforms raw dough into a fully baked concha. So next time you eat a concha, remember, you're not just enjoying bread. You're experiencing chemistry, biology, and physics all at once. So if you want more making videos, or if you like this video, I really liked it. And remember that to bake is science and to cook is art. See you on the next video. Bye.